There's a quiet revolution happening in our kitchens, one that most of us haven't even noticed yet. Every time you search for a recipe, ask a virtual assistant for cooking advice, or let a delivery app predict what you're craving, you're feeding it. Feeding what, exactly? Artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just about self-driving cars or robots on assembly lines. It's slipping into the very heart of our homes, onto our plates. And in the next 10 years, it won't just suggest recipes or calculate calories. AI will dictate the way we eat, what we cook, and how we experience food. Think about it. Right now, AI is analyzing everything. Your grocery purchases, your favorite takeout orders, the food content you binge watch at 2 a.m. all of it is data. And AI doesn't forget. It's learning your preferences, mapping your habits, and predicting your cravings before you even know what you want. But this goes deeper than personalization. In just a few years, AI will reshape recipes themselves. Forget your grandma's cookbook or that trusty food blog. AI is already generating recipes tailored to individual tastes, dietary restrictions, and even nutritional deficiencies. Feeling tired? AI might suggest a high-iron dish you'd never think to cook. Training for a marathon? It could design meals specifically to optimize your performance. And the craziest part? AI doesn't just think like us, it thinks beyond us. It's blending ingredients and creating flavor profiles that no human chef would ever dream of. This is already happening. Michelin-starred chefs are collaborating with AI to invent dishes that redefine taste. Imagine a world where recipes are built on molecular precision, where each ingredient is chosen not just for flavor but for how it interacts with your body chemistry. Sounds exciting, right? But there's a darker side to this. When AI starts controlling what we eat, who really holds the power? Big corporations are already using AI to push highly engineered foods. Those trendy snacks that seem to pop up everywhere. Many are products of algorithms designed to maximize cravings and profits. What happens when AI knows you better than you know yourself? There's also the question of tradition. Food is culture, identity, memory. Will the recipes handed down for generations survive in a world where AI tells us what's better? Or will we lose something deeply human in our pursuit of efficiency and innovation? This isn't some distant, sci-fi scenario, it's happening now. AI's already transformed the way we shop, eat, and cook. In 10 years, it could make our kitchens unrecognizable. Whether that's a good thing or not depends on how we use it. So, the next time you're cooking, think about this: is the recipe really yours, or is it the first step in a future where AI runs the table? The choice is ours, for now.